you're working hard to promote GCT as a distribution company, and Genius and Edimax as the brands that you carry. How much of that is part of your long-term strategy?
Yes, so we've been in the market for the past 12 years in the Middle East markets. We know the market in and out as well. Our customers, they know our markets and our products. Our Genius products doesn't require to be introduced in this market. I believe this perfect position we are now because of the long relationship and our vision that to build a strong relationship with our retail partner. It's not a short period, no, it's a long period. Because we believe that when you step into the car retail, you are in. We never think to go out. We built our business, we planned since long time to be a real partner and the right partner with the car retailers.
As an independent distributor, would you consider adding more brands to your portfolio if the opportunity arose? And if so, what categories would you be looking at?
Yes, recently we launched GCT Middle East, because we add one more brand for our portfolio. But I think everybody knows that GCT has been in the market for 12 years dedicated for Genius brands, because we play actually two major roles here. A role of a retail, of a distributor, and the role of the vendors. So our relationship is very strong with our vendors, and that's why we take our time. We study the market very much. We study the products very much. So recently we add one more brand, which is Edimax, but Genius has been with us for a long time. Yes, we're planning to add one more brands or another brands because we are in a distribution level now. But of course we study it very carefully. Product should fit for the retail as well, did not have any clash with our existing brands.
And in terms of our world here at DCC, what are you hoping to accomplish as a sponsor here? What type of profile, in terms of partner, are you looking to meet?
In total product, we have now 540, as I mentioned. 540 are active SKUs. So we don't have in our catalog one item not active and one. No, 540 we secure that are very active. And what we need to present to the retailers, the product line we have, the positioning of the products, and the success story of Genius when you display the products in a different category and different varieties, because we cater the products to all the end users. So we want to promote the products in this level. The second, to build a stronger relationship, as well to launch our channel program, which is, I believe it's going to be very successful. And we did some studies before with our retailer, they accept the idea. As well, the marketing campaign we're going to run in the stores is going to be also one of the active plans for 2010.
We've talked before, 2009 has been a tough year in terms of market conditions. What do you think we learned from the experience over the last 12 months, and are we stronger moving forward?
Yeah, actually 2009, it was tough, but we managed to maintain a good growth in 2009 in the Middle East. In 2010 also it shows a significant growth. And we're planning for 2010 to continue on this level, but also now our main focus with our car retails to secure for them a higher and better margin, to have a very healthy margin, a very healthy position of the product, sales out to be more faster. That's why we are assigning more merchandiser in the stores to help the car retail to support them and to maintain like a very active relationship. So we don't want to keep any products on the shelf not moving or slow moving. Now we have to maintain a very fast sales. So that's why we want to implement this one, and we are sure the result will come to positive.
And if you could leave only one message, one statement with the audience here, what would you want them to remember about your message?
My message to my partners in retail, to give us space. Space is very important because really we can help and we can assist, because at the end we are going to assist you by selling these products.